Hippo and Friends is brought to you by State Farm, State Farmers there, and by the Federal Signal.
Welcome to Hippo and Friends. Hippo,
The National Weather Service issued a McLean County for a tornado warning until 9 p.m. in Eastern Time. This EFO tornado located to Danvers, Normal, Weston, Downs, Hudson, Danvers, Carlock, Shirley, McLean, Hayworth, Leroy, Ellsworth, Saybrook, Colfax, Cooksville, Lexington, Gridley, Towanda, and Westernville. This is the EF1 tornado is located to Bloomington-Normal. Please seek shelter immediately. Repeating. Please seek shelter immediately. Thank you.
Enjoy your show!
Pilot.
Shit. It's 7 a.m. I'm gonna drop off my friends to my house. That's a great idea.